Welcome to Draw with Pex. Welcome to your daily dose of drawing with me. We're focusing on the animal series. We are going to be focusing on the letter G. And G is for giraffe. Giraffe with grapes today. So again, our piece of paper is portrait, and we're going to start off with with just sharp pencils, and give me a nice curve like that. So semicircle, nice big semicircle, and we're just going to make it a little bit longer. So normal semicircle, and then just increase the sides on either side. And giraffe have two sticks on their head. So we're going to do two little, well, not sticks, antennas, I want to say. And we're going to just curve it around the edges. And right next to those, they have their ears. So we're going to do two. So a wiggly line, and one coming in. And then on the other side, wiggly line. And the ears can be in different directions, so they don't have to be exactly the same. Okay, and we're going to give him or her some cheeks. So another to do C on this side, and then a C on this side. And then we're going to bring it down, and we're going to do an upside down mountain for the chin. Now we're going to do a nice bit, and that's going to form your giraffe's face. We're going to do a nice big, kind of like a circle, but not like a big nose, but that's just the nose area. And then we're going to do his little nostrils, so two curves on either side with a dot in the middle. And then the bottom of this is going to be his smile. And I was just told I'm going to do a little line just there to kind of break up, because it's a 3D, we're doing a flat on, so just so it looks like, I'm going to do nice big eyes on either side. My rules about the eyelids: if you just literally cut off the top and then flick on the ends to give your giraffe some eyelashes. And do a curve in the middle, that's the coloured part, and then this bit is your giraffe's eyes. I'm going to give giraffe eyebrows, so they could be up and down, they could be curves, they could be whatever you want them to be. Just going to bring them out slightly, make them a little bit fatter. And we want to do what we did for the eyelids, we're going to do that for the ears. Just because we all have a curvy bit out the top of our ears, don't we? And then we can give him some hair, or her some hair if you want to. So a couple of spikes, and then something curling down like that. Now the fun part, giraffe's body. Okay, so what do giraffes have? So did you know giraffes are the largest land mammals ever? And they have really long necks. And do you know what else they have really long of? They have really long tongues. Their tongues can be up to like 53 centimeters. So that's the giraffe's neck. And we're going to curve it all the way around here for giraffe's body. And then we're going to do front leg there. And then the knees about there, so give it a little bend, comes out. And then we're going to go up over, like a little curve there, and then bring his feet down. That's one. That's the back leg, right? So that's the back leg. And then this leg is coming in front, so you can see the lines on top. Same again, come down, knee, and then bring it out like that. And then do a little curve, and then his feet. Back leg, slightly different. So we're going to do this leg first. So that's where his bum is, curve over, knees. So the knees are kind of aligned in terms of what you're looking for. And then body goes there, and then this leg comes around. I'm just going to give it a slight bend so it's got a stable. So leg, I mean his knees, you can't really see the knee on the other side, and then the leg just comes out. And it's just, because it's the back leg, just make it slightly higher. So actually this one probably should be slightly higher too. The back legs can be slightly higher. And then you can either do squiggles, you could do patterns. I mean, generally just tend to be like little shapes everywhere. So like that, all over Giraffe's body. Oh, sorry, we forgot his tail. So, and giraffes are herbivores. So a herbivore is someone that only eats plants, and a giraffe eats so many leaves and twigs. And we have 3 meals a day, right? Well, I have 3 meals a day, and we try to stick to 3 meals a day, and maybe some snacks. And well, what do you think our food would like weigh up to? Because giraffes eat about 45 kilos of leaves and twigs in one day. They do a lot of eating. But because they have a lot of leaves, which contain a lot of water, they actually don't need to drink that much. They don't need to drink that much water. And then you can take the patterns down the legs. But for us, it's very important to stay hydrated, especially in this heat. How hot was it? How hot has it been? Okay, so patterns are up to you. You can do, and we can do some patterns on his cheeks too. And these are a little bit darker. They have long necks so they can watch out for their predators. So there are animals that like to eat giraffes, like zebras and hyenas. So they like to run away. And giraffes can run super fast, super fast. So that's our giraffe. Hope you like that. We are going to do our giraffe with some grapes. So whichever side you want to, I don't know. We're going to do a twig. So I'm going to do one here, quite close to him. Make this fatter. And then the twig can have some leaves. And then right here, we're going to do some grapes. So grapes are super easy, right? Lots and lots of circles. And the idea is you want to kind of get to a point where it's like a triangle. Like that. G is for giraffe with grapes. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm going to just grab my outline pen and we're going to outline our giraffe, and then I look forward to seeing your coloured versions. Okay, so we're going to start outlining our giraffe. So the first thing I'm going to do is his big nose area, which is a nice big semicircle. And then for the nostrils, I'm going to do a little line and then curve it around. And a little line, so the dot I just turned into a little line. And then we're going to do his smile, so he'll be a big happy smiley giraffe. Next we're going to do his little hair, so 1, 2, 3, big curl in the middle. There you go, and just join it together, so just little shapes. And then we're going to curve it round, and then these little antenna-like things are ossicones. I've learnt something new and no real purpose except for just adding a little bit of weight for the giraffe. So his ears, so that's the ear lid, and then that's his actual ear. And then we're going to bring it down and then around his cheek, curve, then the chin, and then the cheek, and then up. And then back to the other side where we're going to do the other ear. So that's the top of the ear, that's the ear lid, and that's the inside. Now we're going to do a little line going across the nose, just to separate the nose and the eyes area. 2 big eyes, like so. Top of the circle, just cut off slightly, curve it around, eyelashes. Then we've got big circle in the middle for his actual eye. Then this is the black bit and white bit, black pupil, and the white bit. And then we're going to do his eyebrows, which is just 2 little jelly beans. And then we're going to come down and do his neck. So we're going to do this line first, so just the line that goes under. Then we're going to do this leg which comes in front, and knobbly knees, coming down, and then his little line, so a curved line coming up, and then his feet. Then we can do this one, knobbly knees. And it's okay to go slightly different to your page, your pencil marks if you want to. Sometimes you might discover that you've done something different, or you want to change it, which is fine. I've just added, because we've got some hair there, I've just added some hair near his mane, the back of the leg. I've just left a little gap for the tail. Again, knobbly knee, coming out, 2, and then this line for the tummy line comes over, and then the leg is at the back. So the back leg, and then 1, 2, and then you can draw some hair in if you want to. So I'm just going to do some squiggles going down like that, just to match up with his face, and then just draw his marks all over his body. And there we have our giraffe outlined, and remember what I said, whatever side, you can have it from this side or that side. So we're just going to do our there you have it, our giraffe with grapes. Here's my coloured giraffe. I look forward to seeing yours. Use the hashtag #drawwithpecs to tag me into your creations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for the next letter.